make my life feel brand new. You're amazing.
Hello guys, let me entertain you people with music. I'm so happy, super excited. You understand? Too much, excess love. Now so God too much, God love me too much.
Jesus, you love me too much, excess love.
God too much, He love me too much. Now this music I want me to your play. Forgive me this opportunity to eat these two positions. In fact, I don't know how to explain myself. I'm so happy, Baba God. Thank you so much for making me eat these two positions in my business, in health aloe vera company business. You understand? And so God too much. Not be lie, Baba God, you too much. Your love is kind. Your love is very sweet for my life. Yes, so guys. Oh. My heart. So much peace and joy. God fill my heart with peace and joy. Since 3 days, I'm so happy. It's not easy to get to position. So position in 1 month. Manager and leader, junior leader, the team. It's not easy. Go to my platform, go to my Facebook, you will see it there. People are calling me from different corners, different directions, calling me, telling me, my sister, oh, congratulations, forgot those positions for 1 month. Just get 2 positions in 1 month. How come? How did you do it? I explained to them. People are calling me that they want to join my business. Our business is good. It's health and beauty. It's aloe vera company. We work with aloe vera company. We share beautiful things to people. We say different type of things. If you are the type that is looking for the fruit of the womb, we have the thing that will help you to build your womb to have that baby. If you are the type that is looking for you are the type that don't stay long in the bed. Any small thing, maybe your husband just called, you say you are tired, you don't want to answer your husband because of your tiredness. We have those things that you are going to take. You have more strength and fire with your husband. You understand? The things you are going to take and get power, get force with your husband. Now your husband go come for the run, they go say, my wife not come kill me, not come injure me. We get many things what they say. My belly in fact, I can't explain my feelings. Happy Sunday to you all, guys. Guys, as you are watching me, congratulate me. If you want to join the business, come. The door is open for everybody. I'm just celebrating myself here. In fact, I don't know how to explain my feelings. In 8 months in this business, I started October last year, 2019. 8 months in this business, I've got 3 positions. November, I hit my junior manager. So since then, I did not hit any position, but I'm selling. They'll be paying me my money because I did not go to that target they said I should sell. You understand? So anything I say at the end of the month, they'll be paying me. But this month, to God be the glory. Can you imagine? To God be the glory. God, in fact, God, I say thank you. To God be the glory. This month, I said to their target at the end, I got 2 promotions, 2 positions at the same time in 1 month. This month of May is a month I will not forget. It's a month that I will be smiling. I will say, now me if you reach that position. Congratulate me, brothers and sisters. I don't receive quartile since when they say they congratulate me. They say they want to come join the business. I say, maybe they come. They are free. If the business not help me, I not go feel direct you say me you can't join the business. Now online business, we not get money to go carry shop. Now our phone, now our social platform, now we go use to do the business. No money to go carry shop. Europe over there. Now not say to carry shop now wahala. If you not get now social tax, pay this one. This one not be Africa. Will be say if you don't get 10,000 naira, you don't push up. If you get 20,000 naira, you don't push up. Europe not be like that. If you don't get big money, you go pay rent, you go pay their tax, you go do this one, you go pay caution journal. So you not go feel rent shop for Europe. So now our platform, and that be our shop now. Our platform, that be our shop. For 8 months now, see the position one like day. You see, this north end, you see people, different people from east, west, south, north. They fly their flyer. They fly their position put for our link. They fly and put for Facebook. They fly and they put for any social media where they do because they hit the position. It's not easy. When you hit position, you know as your belly go use a sweetie, your belly go use a flow. In fact, you go use a say, hey, now me be this one. You go use a smile. My belly, in fact, I don't know how to explain it. I'm really, really happy. I'm really, really happy. God, Baba God, I say thank you. Thank you for making it possible. Thank you for making it possible. It's not by my power, it's not by my might, it's by God's grace. It's God that make me have patience in this business. If it's some people, they will be in business, they will not up to 3 months, 4 months, and say, I'm tired. I'm not seeing anything on it. I don't want to do again. I'm in 8 months. I got my first promotion of November. December, I did not get any promotion, but they paid for me anything that I said. They paid for me, I take it. January, the same thing. February, the same thing. March, the same thing. April, the same thing. But they paid for me those months. Because it's what I said they pay for me. They pay for me. For those that said that if you did not hit position, they will not pay for you. No. Anything you said, they can pay for you. But if you want to hit your position, you need to get to that target. There's target in everything. Even this governor, when they say they want contest for governor, president, if they're not those types where they pay, maybe they'll begin to share things, they give people, they go. They follow house, go, they bribe house, they go. Now their target with that one. Because they know where they go. So company, when they work for company, when they do online business for any place, any company, they must give you target when you say you go do, when you take get your position. Now only say they're not going to pay you if you not get your position. As you just said, let them take pay you. You understand? So guys, I'm so happy. If you are here watching me, share my video. Tell people, let them come and join my business. Free people from bondage. People is in bondage. They don't have money to use the way they like. Come and make extra income. Extra income with Aloe Vera Company. Aloe Vera Health and Beauty Company is there 24 hours to bring us from those bondage. You understand? Aloe Vera is ready to bring us from those bondage that we are inside house crying every day. Say, God, where am I going to see extra income? My salary that I'm receiving is not enough for me to use. So opportunity business is here for you to come and join us. It's here for you to come and join us. Opportunity business is here. Don't be afraid. Don't be saying, hey, if I join this business, how it go be? Me, my sister, me know a day here. So when I join, I'm not afraid though. There's in a river they kill, a river person they drink. If you start business, it's not good, you'll still come out. But you need to patience. Need to endure. It's good to endure in any business you are doing. You understand? If you are the one that have not started in any business, contact me. I will put you through. I will tell you how all the business is all about. I will tell you how to do the business. You understand? Every day we are learning. I'm not a perfect lady. You understand? So I'm learning every day. You understand? Whether you know how to write or read or you don't know how to speak English, you can't do it. Me myself, I don't know how to speak English. As I know, I go knock on. Now business I can't do for them. If I don't know that English one, the lax is there. When I go there, they say if I don't knock on this position where I get now, I not go get some. It is easy to do junior leader the team. I be junior leader the team. I dey proud of her. Me I dey proud of her. Be junior leader the team. See, now so God, not be my power. I see they go there. I see they go the next level by God's grace. Not be my power. People they Malaysia, as people they governor, people they president. Now that governor me won't reach. People where they governor, where they president, you know how much they receive for the business. People did this business, they receive 30,000 euro, 50,000 euro, 10,000 euro, 5,000 euro. Me, I they go there, me must reach there. This one when me there, so this junior leader, the team, not be there, I want for handle. I they move forward. God don't open the way for me. I just they go one by one. I they climb the step one by one. Guys, come, he boss me, come and build your empire. Come and build your empire. Come and build your plan day. Yeah, plan day na be say you go they set something. I be plan day. You understand? If they work for office, that one a plan one. If they sell online business, na plan do. Come and build your plan do with us. Come and build your empire. If you do not build your empire now, when are you going to build it? When are you going to build your empire? You understand? So our income is not enough for us. It's not enough. So you need extra income to support that income you receive. You understand? Come and join us. Come and join us. Yes. Can you imagine? Are you listening to this music? He said God is there with us. The same God that is all over the country is there. Anything you are doing, God will bless you with it. You understand? Anything you are doing, if you sit down like this, you are not doing anything, don't expect God will bless you. God will not bless you. It's what you put on your hand doing. That is what God is going to supply. You understand? God will supply that thing according to your riches. You understand? Don't just sit down like that, doing nothing, be clapping, be putting hand in your jaw, say, hey, God, this one has suffered. God, when I will take make am. God say, may you make am. God don't create you on this life, make you make am. But if you no work, how you will take make am? How you go tell make am? We went there Europe, so people went there Africa, they call say they won't join the business. Africa people not fit join. Now we went there Europe, when come up for Africa, cause opportunity there Africa when they will fit do business when they like. But Europe here will not get opportunity. No, if you carry akara for her, now the hog they go. But Africa, you fit carry akara, you fit make fire for road, they fry something they say. But Europe, no opportunity business for Europe. You understand? So opportunity come and I say now online business, we Europe people go fit they do. Mona come grab am. Mona grab am, mona let us do am, mona do am, mona do am. Mona grab my business, aloe vera business, health and beauty. Is health and beauty. We share wetin they make us get health. Wetin go make your head dey okay na we get. Wetin go make your body dey shine. Wetin go dey make your finger dey grow every day. Wetin go dey make your finger dey strong. Wetin go dey make your face dey glitter. You understand? Wetin go dey make your hair dey long every day. We get am. Wetin go make you dey jolly with your husband. We get am. Wetin go make you get that baby wey you dey look for. When God will say amen, it's time for you to get that baby. You go take that tablet journal. The baby go come. We get many things. We not go fit make sure wetin we get. If you need my website, go. I go give you my website. Go visit am. Go there. Go visit my website. You'll see say we get things when we get many things there. Mommy, thank you for watching. Lovely boo. Thank you, mommy. Share me. God bless you. Thank you so much for coming for watching, guys. It's good to earn extra income. It's good to earn extra income, eh? It's good to earn extra income. I'm here. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Come and join me to celebrate. Today is my day. Today, this May 29 May is my day. A day that I got 2 promotions at the same time. Junior leader, manager and junior leader the team at the same time in the same month. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. Now my sweat. When the money go come at the end of on the 12th, every on the 12th I come to they pay. When the money go come, the bank go full. I go chop the money yafu because I sweat put. Now every day I think they come and say, when I beg go, when I help me share my video, when I let her go viral. And they look for people who want to join my business. Now every day they shout here. You understand? I sweat. Now every day I go they block people, they give them my waiting. They say see, they go give me my money, I go give them the product. So people will come and say, okay, send that day Italy, see my address. I go send that and give them, they go bring my money come for me. You understand? Some people will first send money before I send them the product. Some people go bring, say send the product, come, they go bring my money. So they bring come. You understand? So we need to trust ourselves. We need to do something to make us grow every day. We need to do business where we say at the end go put food for your table. When you go dey chop, you go dey happy, you no go dey vex. Which kind of wahala be this one? I don't know where to see money to go buy Maggi. You no go dey again. You understand? Mostly women, when they sit down for house, they say they be full housewife. Man and woman can do the business. 18 years old children can do the business. But mostly we women, when we go just sit down for house, they depend for our husband. If our husband not bring money, we not go chop. You don't be say our husband not come call us, so another girl collect am from our hands. We not come see am for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. What you will come do? You just stay hungry there, oh. You come dey cry, say, God, which kind of life is this one? This man come off since yesterday. Since almost 3 weeks, he not come back house. But if you get your extra income, just now, you get where you for they see your money, you not go feel about say your husband come out, you not see him for 3 weeks. You go only feel and say maybe he not come out, but you not go your feel and say me you come dey cry, say, God, we have for see money take cook for these children. I not get money. Now this man will for still give me money, I go buy my dinner. He not theirs. I beg. Women, please, I beg, when I wake up on a slumber, when I wake up, opportunity business dey now when I be say una go grab. Na time go come when I be say una go dey look for this business, una no go see am again. Na people wey join before na go dey operate the business. New people no go fit enter again. So now when be say door open, when be say new people go fit enter, una no wan join. Then they beg una now, una come, una no wan join. That way they will come use key, lock and say you no need any new people again. The old people is okay for them. That time una come dey beg. That time maybe na money when be say una come dey use big money dey beg. As they use small money now, say register, you go buy wetin you know say you go fit sell. You no wan come. You dey work, you dey look say which kind of business this woman dey talk. I don't try that business, it not work. Wait till I won't go still try another one for. I don't know whether sorry. I don't know whether it go favor me. Why it not go favor you? It favor Peter. Why it not go favor John? If you start, it not favor you, you come out, not before they not tie you there. But I believe say with God, it must favor you. As I say me, your sister, when you know, it favor I go still favor you. If you be say you will start yesterday now, you go your vocal pass me where this is 8 months. The business overtaking is allowed for the business. You can overtake people that is there since then. You understand? You can overtake people that is there. Some people is in the business for 1 year, 2 years. They are not smarter enough. People that come today will smarter than them. So the business door is open, guys. Sister, don't be dependent for your husband. Husband, me too. Me when they sit down for us, if my wife no bring, I no go shop. Get up for your slumber, come work, find money, come. This business, and I told you, sit down for your parlor, relax. Just don't post something for your social media. They tell people about the business. At the end of the month, money go come, it go alert for your bank. You go collect and you go grab them. You know, go spread bed. Your chef, or whether na chef, whether na patron, whether na your governor for work, they not cause you, they not tell you say what you do today not fine, or you not clean this place well. You just sit down your bed, cross your leg like this, just they post this, they give people say what you they say, that they buy from you. They put people for under your business there. Before you know, you don't talk to woman, you don't talk to big man, you don't build your empire, you don't build your plan D. You understand? So wetin we come dey wait for? Wetin we come dey wait for? Every day na me I dey come out for life. They talk say the business sweet now. Get really sweet me. It really sweet me. Me I ready to dey come out for life every day. If even possible 10 times in a day. Cause na my shop as I like I do am. Mona come join na my shop. As una like na do am. Some people they rent shop now. They will go there anytime, any day, and their shop. So now your shop be this one. If you like, you not open up for 3 weeks. If you like, you open up 10 times in a day. Is your turn, is your chance. Is how you are going to do it. You do it. Guys, come and grab the business. Celebrate with me. Celebrate with me. Celebrate with those that is celebrating. So that celebration will not finish. It will not depart from your house. You understand? So if your people is celebrating, go there and celebrate with them. I'm really happy. I'm so glad. In fact, God, you too much. Thank you for making it possible. Baba God, I say thank you, God. God, you remain the same. You remain the same. You continue to remain the same. So God, what? Ça va bien. Don't worry. Go and take what you want to talk. So God remain the same. Try and join us. Try and build your empire. Try and do something. Find something else. If you don't want to join my business, if you don't want to join my team, if anybody is telling you about online business, try and see. You understand? Don't discourage. Go and try and see. Watch. Look at it. People take 1,000 to the market. They will lose it. They will come back. How much the business is going to take you? Like me, when I start with 120 euro. I register with 55 euro. I buy something of 70 euro, 125, but 125 euros is October. I will say I know it's not invest, and I not go take this position where I did. I not go take this position where I did now. I not go take junior leader the team. All those profit things when they buy, I see profit, I see 2 euro, I see 3 euro, I see 10 euro. At the end of the month, company still pay me, Jonah. Not be something. Now something. You dey your kitchen, you dey post, the children say they want you to, they make food for kitchen there. Come. For you pick the call, put am for speaker. You go to do what you dey do. You go to listen to the person, or put your earpiece, put for ear. Put your phone for your pocket. They listen to wetin the person they talk. They do. They use one hand. They cook. If you dey inside train, person send you message, reply the person. Now just to hold your phone. Is it hard to hold phone? It's not hard. If you hold your phone, be playing game, be watching a game, be doing this with your phone. Is it hard? It's not hard. Or you are watching person video. It's not hard. That is how you are going to still do your business. That is how you are going to do it, guys. This business is good. It's real. It's real. It's lovely. It's lovely. If you are interested, inbox me. My phone number is there. My WhatsApp number is there. Inbox me. Go to my messenger. Inbox me. Call me anytime, any day. I'm free to pick your call. Don't be afraid. Share my video. Let it go viral. Share it as you like because it's my celebration day. I'm going to be celebrating it till I get to another position again. I'm going to continue to be saying it. It's not easy to get 2 positions in the same month. In the same month. I just sit down, they work for my phone. They post things. The people, they follow me, they buy. People can't join my business at the end. I get 2 positions. You see, say the business, say it dey easy. One are not tick out, the one are the tick and say I want to do one, I want to start. I don't know how to write. If you don't know how to write, use voice message. Give the person. Say my sister, say as a business bill, you get interest. You want me you join. You get interest. You go tell you say yes. You want me to join. Okay, tell us okay. No, get that one. I won't send you Zoom. May I register you through Zoom. You go register am. The person go start to dey buy something they say. The profit wey me dey make now, not they give you put me for this business. So when the person they tell me this business, I tell her say abeg, I fit do online business, it no work. I don comot for the online business. When me comot for that online business, that person, the same person, he go join that business and he know say I dey o, but me don comot. Later I come know say the person dey the business again. He no call me. May ask me. I will say he come. I tell am say me I don comot, e no favour me because I no fit dey business. No be say e no go favour me. Now I comot. So later as I say my sister, if they do online business, so now I say I no be the one when me fair day. Then you go join. I know say you don't join that business now. You say no be that one o, that one no dey do am again too because he no still make am. Now he rest see the one when he dey. So now so sure. Now he come tell me say na buying and selling na different things. Makeup day, perfume day, eyelashes day, shade stick day. Men when they want barb their shave, when they say koko go day here. We get what you go rub, put you go clear the clock before you go shave and you go rub am. After you shave and you get what you go still rub put. As he show me, I look at say okay, I go think. And when I reach out, I say I'll give him feedback after 1 week. When I reach out the next day, as I think, I say what I call they do now. I they walk 3 days time, and 3 times in a week I they walk. The rest day I don't get what I they do. Okay, now I call and say okay, sister, I go join. How much? Say €55 to register. He said, but I go buy something they sell. Now I say how much? She said any amount what you get now €30 something you buy. If you sell and again when see they put hard down Jonathan buy again. Now I say okay, I get 125. That €125. Go the registration. I said I think start. So the thing when they bring come for me after I register 3 days, they bring my when I register immediately they send me my website and information come out to open my website. I say open my website. Now I go they play inside the website. They check what they get. Now almost the same thing when they tell me say they get. Now it did there. I said they check on. So 3 days of it they send me. They bring my goods when I buy a come. Go here. They bring my goods when I buy a come. I check and look and open and the paper, the instruction, everything they there. My contract paper is there. Now I sign the contract paper. I call her, I want to do the contract paper. Send me, I sign and we'll send and go give them for through email. I say okay. So now so I can't put on for Facebook. Person say you want buy. I go near my friend. That's go visit her. I say, sister, I don't want online business. So see what I say. What be that one? I show I send her perfume. You spray. I say no like this one. Spray the don't say like this one. I say you buy. You give me money. Under 2 days, I don't 2 to 3 days. I don't sell that thing finish. Now tell us I don't sell and finish. I want buy another thing. So okay, may I go for waiting the perfume? May I buy perfume? Since now perfume, they put buy them. Now I buy perfume. Later, because I want buy another thing put like cream, hand cream, face cream. I come buy and put 1 week. I sell them. That's why you take on start. Now so my business when they move now, we say everybody know me for all over the world. Everybody know me all over the world. When they come and say, bring me this thing, post this thing for me. I go post and go give them. Guys, the business is not hard. It's very good. It's a business that you do. You'll be happy. You'll be smiling. You'll be rejoicing. If you are sleeping, you say you'll be thinking, say, oh God, hey, customer don't they wait for me. They break, make I go reply message when I come. You go just day sleep. You just tell some people don't send you message since make I go reply them. because na money na money. No anything wey dey call bring money come. No say we Nigeria we no dey carry last, na first we dey carry, because we need that money. We need that money because we get many people wey wan take care of our house. E get many people wey dey call us, wey their shoulder dey wait for us for house. So we be first. We no dey carry last for money matter. So we Nigeria, brothers and sisters, guys, Mali, Senegal, Idian, you can do the business. Forget about the tribe you have. Uroboeshan, Bini, Hausa, Ijo, you can do the business. Don't forget about the tribe you are. Everybody, the door is welcome, is open to you. Come and grab the opportunity for you. Grab the opportunity. Gradually, you see your empire. You'll be building it. You'll be building it. You'll be building it. You'll build it to wait for your generation to come. Great grandchildren will not suffer. They will be enjoying their fruit of their mama, their grandmother fruit of their labor. They will be enjoying it. Guys, please, all those people that are there, they leave those things for their children. They are human beings like us. Let's do something and with special something to keep for our children. Come and do this business now. The opportunity door is open, guys. Please share me out. Joy Lobe, thank you for coming. Thank you, Star Joy Lobe. Please share me out. God bless you as you are watching me. God bless you to you all. Francis, thank you for coming. Thank you, Sister Francis. Thank you, Sister Peter. Sister Peter, thank you for watching me. God bless you. Share me out. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Thank you. I give you 3 gboza for all of you that is watching me. All people in the house, mama in the house, papa in the house, brothers and sisters in the house. I give you 3 gboza. God bless you. See, 3 logo for now. I give you 3 logo. Too much salute for now. Too much salute. I salute you now. God go bless you now. When I come join me celebrate, when I join me, not easy to get that position, oh mama. As now they celebrate now, some people go they celebrate now too. So me now, I dey happy. 8 months for business, 8 months for this business. And October I start. When I calculate October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. No, that May will dey so. Now tomorrow will be June. So May, 8 months of business. I did junior leader the team. It's not easy. Oh, it's not easy. It's not easy. Now na power. My friends on Facebook, my friends on social media. Now na power. God go bless you as now they share me. Oh, God go bless you now as now they share me. People go come and say they want join the business. Mona come, mona share, mona they click on now. Mona they click the button. Make the button yours they go. Make they go everywhere. Now mona yours they share and they give on our family, on our friends. Make they watch me now. Say business opportunity is waiting for them. The door is open. Now it's free of charge to enter the business. So free of charge. The money that you are going to use to enter is chikele. It's not cost. It's not cost. Chikele money you enter. In France, 55 euro to register. You pick anything you want to buy. In Germany, is 160 something euro to enter. Pick what you want. Germany is 29 euro to register, but you buy something of 130 euro to start your business. You understand? Italy too is 90 euro to register, but you buy something that you are going to use to start your business, like 50 euro something. So all country have their price. All country have their price. We are in Canada, they have their price. Australia, we did there. Legaland, we did there. You understand? So all country get their price. So if you call me, if you dey Legaland or you dey Idian, call me, I go tell you the price. Not be waiting, I go dey talk for year. No, so all country get their money where they use. So guys, mona come. I need you now. More come down together. So that time go come, 2 of us, we go they see each other like one. We go see each other like brothers and sisters. We go say business. On business, then when you go they do your business partner, you just they look them like your blood sister, your blood brothers, the same mother, the same father. Because now two come they do the same business. The business they bring food, they put for your table. So you go follow them like governor. You go follow them like your blood brother. You know what it be blood sister, because now too often they always they flow, they call each other, say hello sister, see what I want, sister I want work out for this business. Tomorrow how the business go start, one will block for social place, now more go hustle, more go say something. You understand? So now so you go they looking like governor. You understand? So opportunity there, and now all of us come talk to brothers and sisters. I throw a salute for now, so now show me love this night. I throw a salute for now. God go bless you now. Now understand? So more grab on ourselves now. More grab ourselves. More do and more rock on together. Now see they hot. As they hot, more begin yours the shop on. Not be when it go cold. Now when be say at the end if they lock the door, they not go open for you again. When you go they knock door now, can't go come you they lock person, lock the door. They'll say no, the door is not open. If you go some office now, they'll say they don't need people again. Because the people they need is okay for them. So now the opportunity is here for you to come. In any country you are, we are in 28 countries. You are free to register. You are free to join now. It's not hard to join. Try to come now. They will be asking document to join. But now we don't have some documents. If you know your name, your date of birth, your email, your house address, you have joined the business. They also give you ID. When we say you go, they use the waka. They carry your business. They follow everywhere they go. If you pack many things for your bag, now carry go control, police control you. Show them your ID. Tell them say see wetin dey your bag. No fear. You not steal. Not be stealing things. You they sell. Now your shop be that one. Show them. They go look your ID. Control am. They go tell them say yes, they are part of the business. You are part of the company. They go leave you. You know say this Europe of this. So our governor they like people where they hard for their country. People where they pay tax. You understand? So your company is already paying tax in your head. In your head, the business you are doing, they are paying tax every month to government. We have our fees to pay. We have our contract that is proof that we are into the business. So guys, what are we waiting for? Why can't you join now? Why can't you grab the opportunity when the opportunity door is open? If you are there watching me, don't let the opportunity pass you by. You have to call me, inbox me now and grab yours. Inbox me now, grab yours. Come and join us. Don't waste that opportunity that is looking after you now. Come and grab the opportunity, brothers and sisters. You can do it. You can make it in the business. You can do it. I'm proud of myself and continue to be proud of myself. Forget about the English or no English. I go dey proud of myself. I go dey happy. Some words they will be say I go won't pronounce. I not go fit pronounce am. Now God. So I not go kill myself because I not fit pronounce that word. Me I dey cry. So because I not fit talk that thing tomorrow. I'll say no. I not go come live video. I not go come. Who laugh na mouth it talk? Or I write that something the thing not correct. Later I come say and say it correct. You will come begin to laugh me say that wetin that woman write is not correct. Je m'en fous. Je m'en fous because I defend my money then and my money I can't find. I know they look who she face. I need that money and that ego. Now me come find for you. Guys, if you want to join, inbox me. If you want your nails to grow, if you want to look beautiful the way I'm looking beautiful, if you want your face to smooth the way my face is smooth, inbox me. I have those things. If you want your hair to grow the way my hair is growing, inbox me. I have them. If you want to remove your stretch mark in your stomach, in your lap of your hand, I have the cream that you are going to rub. All those stretch mark and fatness that is in your hand, it will just vanish. You know, so some people have fat hand like this. When they hold their hand, the hand will shake. So we have the cream where you go, they rub, put for all those parts of your body where we say you fat. When they shake, they sing, they follow you. We get those cream where you rub. If you they rub them, gradually, you see say that hand, it don't the less, it don't they go inside. People some lap. If you see some people lap, if you see some people belly, go be like say you want close the main thing where God take create and call life. We get the cream where you go rub, we get the medicine where you go drink, where we say you go flush those sadness come out for your body. Our body mission, they go take care of you. Our body mission, I'm proud of our body mission. It will take care of you. Me, I used it before, but my husband is complaining. I don't want you to lose your weight. I don't want to lose. You should lose your weight. So that is why I stopped. He said he liked me the way I am. That I should not fat more than this. I should not reduce more than this. I should be controlling it like this. So guys, if you are here, you are looking for to fat too. Some girls they slim. They good though. When they say I will like them, but they'll say no, they're too slim. They want make them fat. We get the thing. We go still make you fat. No, say people when fat now they cry say they're too fat. People when fat now they cry say they're too fat. We they find what we want to reduce and we they tell them say they go for body mission. Who slim now say he too slim. He want fat. So we get them. If you fat now you go see the run tomorrow. So if you are the type, if you look for fatness, we have them. If you want to reduce your weight, we have them. If you want to look beautiful, we have them. If you want to remove that stretch mark in your body, your skin disease, your infection, we have them. Our 5-in-1 and Care Boss will take care of that one. You understand? So if your children don't have hair in front of their hair is breaking, we have that cream that will make their hair strong, will make their hair full, will make their hair curl. We have those cream. You understand? If you are adults here, that your hair is cutting, is breaking, you need oil. We have the oil, we have the shampoo that you are going to rub on it. Mirabel, stop. We have, stop. Let me hear one. Quiet. So we have those cream. We have those oil that will make your hair grow long the way you like it. You understand? So guys, come and join us, share the video, let it go viral. If you are there watching me, you didn't give me signal, it's not good, my brothers and sisters. You need to show your sister's signal. You need to share me out. You need to tell me that, sister, you are here watching me. Don't hide in back of door. Come inside, open the door and come inside, my brothers and sisters. Come inside, let me see that you are there. You are there for me. You are scratching my back. Don't stay in back of door. You are just watching. It's not good, guys. You need to show me love and like. Scratch my back and scratch your hole too. You understand? So this business is all about you help your sister. We grow up one another. You understand? So guys, come. I'm happy once again. Thank you all for telling me congratulations. Thank you all for calling me from east, west, south, north. Be telling me, sister, congratulations. How did you make it? God bless you. As you congratulate me, that is how God is going to congratulate you too. You understand? Congratulations will not finish in your house. It will not depart from every one of us that is watching here, guys. So we need to congratulate ourselves. It's very important. Joy Lobe, thank you very much. God bless you, mommy. It's very important. It's very important, brothers and sisters. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you. God bless you to you all. See you tomorrow, guys. One love. Good night, everybody. Sleep well. See you. I love you. Thank you. Guys, come and grow with me. Share my video. Let it go viral. Sister Esther, thank you, mommy. God bless you. 3 boza for Sister Esther. Oh, thank you, my sister. God bless you. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my lovely sister. God bless you. Thank you. Share me her, Sister Esther. God bless you, man. Thank you. You come late. I'll flog you, Sister Esther. I will flog you. Sister Esther, share my video. Sister Joy Lobe, thank you for coming. God bless you for sharing me out. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your love. Thank you. I see your love. 3 boza for you. Sister Esther, thank you for the congratulations. God bless you. Thank you all. God bless. See you guys. One love.